Where do you go from here? Have you ever been lost? When you're trying to make a decision and you don't know what the next best step is, you're just asking for a wrong turn into the land of confusion. With no clear path, it can be impossible to predict what your next action should be. Unfortunately, this can hurt your self-belief, especially when it comes to your decisions and actions. This feeling of being lost translates to failure on some level and sends you into doubt and even despair. To avoid getting lost in the decision-making process, try this. Create a plan for where you want to go next. By making a guide of logical next steps in the process, you'll have a clearer idea of what your next decision should be. As a result, you'll make better decisions and your actions will tend to push you along to the next level every time. The good news? With this kind of success, your own unwavering belief in your decisions will also grow. You'll know you're doing the right thing because it's not only inevitable, it's right there on your roadmap to success.